We aren't here to apologize. Our made in the USA steel storage system is hands down top of the line. SteelStack has a vision to provide innovation and quality in all that we do. We have learned that something which looks very simple can have many design elements to improve ease of use, manufacturability, and cost effectiveness. We have relentless focus on our customers' experience and lifestyle. SteelStack is modular, efficient, and built for durability. SteelStack features a modular design with a 5,000-pound load rating per cartridge. Our racks are constructed right here in the USA with 100% heavy gauge steel. Multiple standard rack sizes are available from 6 feet to 20 feet tall. SteelStack features proprietary cartridges, making loading and unloading sheet metal fast, easy, and safe. No need for added equipment. Utilizing our safety pin storage system, you can easily remove and replace safety pins without the hassle. Made with over-engineered support structures, we offer innovative construction for efficiency and incredibly tough modular systems to meet diverse spaces and needs. SteelStack sheet metal storage systems are built to take all that a hard-hitting metal fabrication environment can give it. Clean up your floor space to optimize your manufacturing operation. Our mission is to drive sustained change in our industry and focus on making an impact for the good. Pursuing progressive excellence in our customer-driven focus will keep us nimble to adjust to market trends and to continually challenge the status quo. Our team has the courage to be vulnerable and make no assumptions. We stay committed to advancing our integrity and company culture. We understand the core of every manufacturer. SteelStack, challenge the status quo, change the game.